everyone and welcome to another video at Project Jeep Life. So we went shopping yesterday because of that elaborate breakfast. We finished the most important meal of the day. We are now going to do some spring cleaning in the Jeep. So it's been a while since we've assessed the situation of our platform and just our cupboards and just taken everything out and given it a good cleaning. It's been about 6 months since we've actually taken a look at the situation inside, and we were waiting for a nice beautiful day to do that, so it's sunny and everything can just air out a bit. And I think today's the perfect day and we're finally going to get that out of the way, just assess the situation, fix any damages that have happened and just do some cleaning. And that is the plan for today, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so this is a known issue when you're living in such a tight space without a lot of ventilation when you're living in your vehicle. We've had these guys living with us for a while now, and yeah, it's something we'll have to deal with today. This is definitely not good. There seems to be a lot of moisture here, and then there's just all this mold that has been built up, which I probably shouldn't be touching. But what I plan on doing is just trying to clean most of this, and then once I have it clean, I'm gonna paint it, and then that should help us. That should fix the issue a little bit. So yeah, that's the plan.
Look what I found.
I've been looking for that.
What is it?
It's like...
Oh, yeah.
We initially wanted to varnish this whole piece and then put some brown stain on top of it, but then we were short on time, so we never got to actually doing that. And I regret that decision now, because I think we could have avoided the mold situation at least by a little bit. I don't know if this is going to fix the issue. If anything, it's probably just a band-aid on top of the mold sort of thing. I don't know, if everything goes really bad, then I guess it's time for another build. I got paint in my hair.
Well, it's black. It's the same color.
No, it's not. I got on the brown part. Aldo's still cleaning, but I thought, okay, let's have some lunch. But before that, I just want to mention today's sandwich is inspired by Don. So he told me a while back that he loves this one sandwich, and it's a tomato sandwich, and it's just tomatoes and mayo. And I don't know, since then I've just been wanting to try it. So that's what we're making today. Sandwich break? Okay, so if you've seen our build video, we mentioned how we are amateur builders. We used the wrong size screws, and then we had all these screws poking out, and then I just put some hot glue on top of it to cover it up because we didn't own a mini grinder, and we still don't. So we borrowed Dawn's, and we're going to use that now to cut out all these screws that are sticking out.
Can't see anything.
Okay, I'm making Aldo stop grinding on the... That sounds wrong. Okay, I'm gonna stop Aldo from trying to remove the excess screws here because he's ruining my paint job. Hey, I'm talking! Because he's ruining my paint job, and so we're just gonna work on the screws that are sticking out on in the platform. Now we'll see if those handles come off, right, Aldo?
Yeah, they're not going anywhere.
Not going anywhere. It seems like we have no clothes right now, but that's because we have to wash them all. Okay, so today has been a super productive day. We are extremely tired and very, very hungry. So I'm just making a quick dinner, and then I think we'll get a fire going and then just call it a day. We still have a little bit more to get done, and I think we'll deal with that tomorrow. Okay, so new addition to our greenhouse living setup. We have a little dock now, and Aldo and Dawn are working on that right now. So day 2 of just some organizing and getting stuff done. We just have some few little things that we need to get done. Once we're all done with that, it's time to relax. Okay, so we got a lot of chicken legs on a deal at a local store here. So I think you're going to be seeing a lot of chicken legs this week. God, I really need to work out more. I got tired just climbing up that hill. What are you doing? Aldo's filming me filming. He's being weird. He's being a little creepy. Anyway, we are going to set up the awning now, and then we're going to call it a night. We're going to do it now because apparently it's supposed to rain tomorrow, and it is a pain setting up your awning when it is actually raining and it's cold and your fingers really hurt. So we're going to do that right now, and then we're going to call it a night. Okay, so we're going to do some organization now. I think we have like 2 hours before it starts to rain. So we're going to quickly reorganize these boxes. So the idea is we have a lot of winter clothes and stuff that we've been carrying around for the past few months, and I don't think we're going to need it anymore. We might need some things, we might not. So we're just going to reorganize it, and stuff we haven't used and we won't need, we're going to donate them. What do we do with this now? Want some flax seeds?
Nope.
So this is Aldo's toolbox, and he is probably the only overlander who carries his wrenches and tools, wrenches and nuts and bolts in a basmati rice bag. Okay, so we're done with the organization. We are going to donate everything that is there over here, and Aldo might cook lunch today. Right?
Nope.
We tried. Today's lunch is brought to you by Aldo Peter John. Stop eating! This is why I don't let you cook.
We're making dal.
Dal? Okay. Just in time, huh?
Oh, right, this thing. I remember now.
Crisis averted.
What was the crisis?
You tell me.
You tell them.
So our greenhouse was leaking a bit. We thought we fixed it last time by putting this like little patch of wood, but that wasn't helping. It was dripping down this way. So now we went out and we put a piece of plastic over the top. I think we're okay for now, but we have to look for a better solution later. I have to go get some stuff from the Jeep. I made these covers for our headrests a while back, and at the time we were in a hurry, so I didn't really do a very good job. I'm probably not going to do a good job again, but I'm just trying to fix them before they get worse. I wish I could mail these cushions home so my mom can stitch them and send them back to us. Okay, so it's almost 8 o'clock-ish, and what a great week it's been. We got some spring cleaning done. The Jeep looks so much cleaner now, and also new addition to our hashtag greenhouse JEEPSTEAD situation. Don put in a dock by the lake for us, and he said, well, everyone has to have a dock, so we have a dock now. That's a new addition. We also did a question answer, ask us anything sort of thing on our Instagram, and the questions and comments were all so great. Although we are really looking forward to being on the road, we are actually quite enjoying this downtime. It's given us a lot of time to learn and think and just contemplate our life decisions sort of thing. And we're just so happy to be sharing this experience with you. But yeah, that's it for this week's video. Like this video if you like this video. Leave your questions and comments in the comment section below. And subscribe to our channel. Thanks, bye! My swimsuit. It's going, that's going. Don't worry about it. Climbing up that hill. What are you doing? What are you doing? At the entrance of our, by the lake, by the clearing.
And I will eat it like this.